Hey everyone. In today's lesson, we're going to take a look at how to graph a system of linear inequalities. In this one, we're given two equations in slope-intercept form, or two inequalities in slope-intercept form, but again, they could be in standard form, could be in point-slope form, all different types of forms that we've graphed so far. Now, the idea here is you're just graphing both of your inequalities separately, including their shading, and then you are looking for the overlapping area of their shading. Okay, so the first one, we have our first equation, which I'm going to do in black, and I have another equation which we will graph in red so we can kind of see how our shading is going to work. All right, so the black one starting at positive 2. All right, our slope is 4 over 3, so I'm going up 1, 2, 3, 4, and to the right 1, 2, 3. This is going to be a solid line because we have the equal to. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and make that a solid line and continue it throughout. Okay, and now we need to just test and see where we're going to be shading. Again, we can test the origin, and we'd be plugging in 0 for our x and our y. If you need a review on that, I do that in the prior videos. You can take a look at it, but that would give us 0 less than or equal to 2. Okay, 0 is less than or equal to 2, so that means that I'm shading everything on the same side as the origin because that does check out as a solution. Okay, now let's take a look at our second graph. Okay, so this one starts at negative 1. And from there, it goes up 1 and to the right 3, so up 1 over 3. Okay, again, solid line, no dash because we have the equal to sign, so it's our solution set is including the line. And now let's again plug in our origin, which is over here. Okay, so it's above this time, so we're going to plug in 0 for x and for y. And let's see what we get. So we get 0 greater than or equal to negative 1. Okay, 0 is greater than or equal to negative 1, so that also checks out, which means we're shading again on the same side as the origin, which would be everything above. Okay, now this is where it's a little confusing. We have a whole lot of shading going on here. What we're really looking for in the true solution set to this is going to be the area where our two shaded regions intersect, okay? So if you notice up here, okay, all of this here, that was all only red, okay? And down here you can see that it's only black, okay? And this region here, all of this region in here, that is where our two shades intersect. Okay, so that means that that's going to be the solution set to the system of inequalities. Okay, so again, it's the overlapping region where our two inequalities intersect. Okay, so any point inside of this shaded region that we have left is going to be a solution to our system of linear inequalities. Okay, again, you follow the same rules. If we had if we didn't have an equal to on either one, it's possible to have the dashed lines. But again, if you need to review how to graph regular inequalities, it could be helpful to kind of help you understand this video a little better. That's one of the prior videos that you can go check out if you need to. All right, so again, you're looking for the overlapping region when you're graphing a system of linear inequalities.